As we age, we start to sag, and the sagging can affect whole face, starting from your brows. The sagging of the brows, the sagging of the tail of the brow, the eye corners, the sagging of the cheeks, the sagging of the nose tip, lip corners, lip enrolling, and sagging on the jawline, causing jowls. Only one thing goes up, that is chin. So up rolling of chin, rest whole face starts to sag, and all we want is a little lift. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Geeta Grewal. I am a trained cosmetic surgeon and a founder of Muses Wellness Clinic and 9M Skincare, and today I'm talking about non-surgical options for facelift. I love the field of non-surgical or a minimal invasive. More appropriate term is minimal invasive because there is some amount of breach and invasion in the skin, and these treatments help in restoration, and when done wisely, nobody can fake that you have done a treatment. Your results are way natural, you look way younger to your age, and over a period of time the benefits are multifold. That is, if you start well in time and you're using judiciously, when anybody of your age reaches that 50-60 bracket, you will look way younger to them. You'll probably look in your 30s, and people will ask you this question, that what do you do to maintain that youth on your face? So let me tell you all the 3 most powerful anti-aging tools: thread lift, fillers, and Botox. You should not be scared of these 3 powerful agents and tools, I would say, for anti-aging, for they are very safe, for they are exceptionally result oriented, and for they keep the surgical options out of window. The sagging effect that comes on the face is because of multiple reasons. There is collagen loss in the skin, there is laxity in the ligaments, attenuation of the ligament with age, there is overactivity of certain set of muscles. Face has 2 set of muscles, the muscles that take the face up and the muscles that take the face down. So when the sagging is happening, a lot of times I see that the muscles that take the face down are very, very powerful in these people. So the whole face is getting, pulled down by these active facial muscles. It could be because of fat loss. You gained weight and then you lost weight, so it could be because of fat loss. Both superficial fat loss and deep fat loss contribute in sagging. So restoration of these fat pockets with help of filler, both superficial and deep, help in giving the result very, very natural and very, very pretty and beautiful. The best tool, first of all, let's talk about Botox. I told you Botox is injected into the hypertoned muscles, that is muscles which are already in a tone which is higher to what is required of them, and this high tone pulls the face down. The wrongs that Botox is giving, if you see somebody having a wrong result of Botox, is because of these few mistakes that they are doing. Either they are overdosing the Botox, or they are doing Botox too frequently, maybe every 3 months. Textbook says that Botox results stay for 3 months, but in reality, the muscle takes time to rebuild and reach that same strength and same intensity over a period of time. And a lot of times I've seen, once you do Botox, the muscle actually never reaches that hypertone which it was initially, and the dosing of the Botox in next session would be less. So ideally, I tell my patients to do Botox once in 6 months, once in 8 months, and never ever do it every 3 months. That is going to kill the muscle belly, and we really don't want the muscle belly to disappear, because we want the natural look on the face. So don't do these mistakes in Botox. Also, because Botox is a blind procedure, in medical terms, The blind procedure is something which you cannot see, and the doctor has to presume that it must be something here, it must be somewhere here by seeing the anatomy. So when the blind procedures are done, the error of judgment comes in, and when the doctor does that error of misplacing, misdosing, then the side effects of Botox come. So the side effects of Botox are not because of Botox, they are only because of the skill of the doctor. So it is very, very important you choose your doctor very wisely, discuss the treatment plan, discuss the dosing plan, and discuss the redosing of treatment in what time frame the doctor is recommending you. I've given you a few tips that you must look into when you're doing your Botox, and avoid these mistakes. You will get absolutely a natural looking result with Botox. Another thing that I want you to keep in mind is whenever you're doing a Botox, do it on the full zone. Like I had one patient, he started doing just the glabella. I told him you have activity on the forehead as well, might as well we include the forehead, because it will not look very natural if we do in one zone only certain area and leave the other area. So he did not agree that time, and he decided only to go for the glabella and leave the forehead. But after the treatment he realized that what the suggestion I gave him was quite substantial, and he came back and he did the full zone. So it's advisable to do the full zone in one go and not do the zone in bits and pieces. That is not beneficial to give a natural looking result. Next treatment that can help in giving you lifting and youthful look is your filler treatment. Don't be scared of filler treatments. Again, the filler are very, very good treatment. There are certain mistakes that are being happening to have those kind of side effects, like heavy filler faces and filler fatigue, and all these terms have come up because of overuse of filler, because of not the filler per se, but because of overuse, overdoing in one go, repeatedly doing in the same zone and doing it way frequently. So textbook again says 6 months to 12 months for filler, but in reality it lasts longer in your skin, it lasts longer in your tissues. And also what I have seen is the aging pattern changes. So if you have done a filler repair in one area, you might not need a lip repair in that particular area very soon, but you might need a repair in some other area over a certain period of time. So choosing your doctor wisely, who can perceive and who can read the face and understand where the aging pattern is happening and where the filler is required, rather than just doing a cookie cutter treatment, which is a blunder for any face, I would say, because every face is so unique and they need a treatment plan completely cut out to their face. Combining filler with both superficial filler placement and deep placement of the filler, depending on the aging pattern on the face. Certain areas require a superficial filling, certain areas require a deep filling. So if that is looked into, you will get a very, very natural looking result, and nobody will be able to tell that you have done a filler treatment, because it is just like a puzzle where it's required, it is placed at the depth that it is required, it is placed. So these things then cannot be picked by an untrained eye, and it will be absolutely natural looking result, and it will enhance your appearance. It will make you look young, youthful, vibrant. It will not only improve the overall look and feel of the face, but it will also anti-age your skin, and it will make your skin look more youthful and dewy. So next treatment that we can do is a thread lift treatment. Thread lift is a polydiaphanone thread. These have cogs, they have a mechanical lifting effect on the skin, and they help in gripping the tissues and lifting the tissues instantly. Threads last for 2 to 3 years in your skin, and they keep boosting your collagen not only giving you lift but improving your skin texture, skin quality. That is, I think, one of my favorite treatments for face. Not only giving your lifting effect and collagen building, it's a long-term benefit, for 2 to 3 years, which is like huge benefit. All I want you to keep in mind is, once you have done the threads, make sure you massage and you do the unidirectional upward massage to let the tissues align and integrate with each other, and also avoid energy based devices at least for 2 to 3 months after the thread lift to have, because the tissues that are forming after a thread lift, they cannot survive a high energy. So avoid energy based devices after a thread lift treatment and do the facial massages regularly to keep the tissues in proper shape and texture. I hope you learned something new about the facelift options that are available in 2025, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Share it and like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for showing your love and support to us. We welcome all the questions that you have for any of these treatments, and we'll be more than happy to reply. Take care of yourself. Stay safe till we meet again.